If you want good eggnog, then you're going to have a hard time finding it. Most of the stuff you see at the stores, like these products, are pretty much an abomination. And if you look at the ingredients, they're filled with gum stabilizers and carrageenan and artificial flavors and artificial colors, thickening agents, and all kinds of weird crap, not to mention the preservatives and whatnot. So, anyway, I am going to offer you my recipe.
This recipe for my favorite kind of eggnog, kind I make, is real easy. You need milk, a can of condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, and 4 eggs. And you need a measuring cup. This is the wrong kind, but I don't care. So first, you get 4.5 cups of milk. All right, so you pour 4.5 cups into a big bowl like this. Then you just got to mix this stuff together. 4 eggs. You want to separate those eggs and just put just the yolks in. So that's kind of a pain in the butt. That's the hardest part of this whole thing, but it's really not that hard. So 4 egg yolks. Okay, so you want to save your egg whites for later, but just the egg yolks, and it's I found it's better, obviously, to get better quality eggs, not the store-bought crap eggs, but some good eggs make it better. So dump that in there. Then you kind of want to stir that up. And if you're smart, you're probably thinking, why didn't you beat the eggs before you put the milk in? And that's probably a good idea. So do that. Just in a small bowl, beat the egg yolks, and then slowly add the milk. Not like the way I'm doing it, but whatever, it works. Okay, next you need the condensed milk. Now, everywhere I go, you get condensed milk. It goes by weight on the can, 14 ounces by weight. Can't read that. Can you read that? Anyway, it says 14 ounces, or for, I don't know, some 396 grams or something like that. So what you need to do is you need to get 5 fluid ounces of condensed milk in there. And if you do the conversion, that's about half of one of these cans. But if you like it extra sweet, you can dump the whole can in there. It really doesn't matter. But anyway, half a can of this stuff, or you can do a whole can and do 9 cups of milk and 8 eggs. Do the math. But anyway, so I'm going to do a half a can of this stuff. Alright, you can slowly, gradually stir it in. But and next I'm adding in like a teaspoon of vanilla. And I don't measure, I just, whatever, that's probably good. Next is going to be the nutmeg. It says like 1/4 teaspoon, whatever. I like nutmeg. There's a bunch in there. And the recipe I have doesn't say anything about cinnamon, but I like cinnamon, so put some of that in there too. Alright, next we're going to beat the egg whites. So I'm just going to do that with a fork. Do that until they get stiff. But anyway, time for a jump cut. 4 hours later. Ooh, that was a lot of work. Oh, I should have used my Ninja. Then you mix that in there. Stir it up. And that's it. Mix it all together and it's eggnog. I was thinking about adding some almond extract. Get crazy. Why not? I'll try it. But anyway, there you go. Best eggnog. Best eggnog ever. Then you can pour it into one of these big half-gallon mason jars, and you have just enough room in there if you want to add some rum or whatever, or more evaporated milk, or condensed milk, not evaporated milk, condensed milk, or rum.